I often imagine taking that uncut, unpolished stone and transforming it into a dazzling masterpiece. Welcome to the captivating world of gemstone cutting, a journey where raw stones meet imagination, expertise, and precision to create breathtaking works of art. For me, gemstone cutting is more than just working with stones. It's the art of turning nature's raw beauty into something extraordinary. I picture myself holding a rough gemstone and with skill and creativity shaping it into a brilliant jewel ready for a stunning piece of jewelry. This is where the magic happens, a blend of art, technique, and meticulous attention to detail. So, how do we begin this transformation? Let's start with the essentials, the tools you'll need to bring your gemstone from rough to refined. Let's walk through the steps, one by one. Step 1, cutting on saw. The first step in faceting is cutting the gemstone into a rough shape. This is done with the diamond saw. You carefully slice the stone, creating a basic shape that will allow you to begin the more detailed work. The goal is to remove excess material, leaving only the core gemstone ready for finer shaping. Step 2, fixing stone on dopping. Next, the stone is mounted onto a dopping stick. This ensures the stone is stable and securely held while you work on it. Dopping is crucial because it allows you to control the stone's position and orientation, giving you complete control over the faceting process. Step 3, performing unfastening machines. Once the stone is securely mounted, it's time to move to the faceting machine. This machine is designed to rotate the stone, allowing you to cut precise facets at different angles. The faceting machine is where the magic happens. It's the tool that enables you to shape the stone with incredible accuracy. Step 4, giving facets to the stone. Now comes the delicate task of creating facets on the stone. Facets are the flat, polished surfaces of the gemstone that reflect light, giving it that brilliant sparkle. Each facet must be cut with precision, and the angles of the facets are critical to the stone's final appearance. With each facet, the stone begins to shine brighter and brighter, revealing its inner beauty. The angles must be perfect, the cuts must be clean, and every movement matters. This is where your craftsmanship truly comes to life, turning a rough stone into a dazzling gem. Step 5, polishing on faceting machine. Once the facets are shaped, the stone moves to the polishing stage. The faceting machine is equipped with a polishing wheel that smooths the surfaces of the facets, enhancing their brilliance. Polishing is an essential step. This is where the gemstone's true beauty starts to emerge. As the stone spins on the polishing wheel, you begin to see the magic unfold. The dull surfaces become smooth, reflective, and vibrant, revealing the gemstone's natural luster. Step 6, final touch to the stone. The final touches are where you perfect the gemstone. You inspect each facet, ensuring that everything is perfectly aligned. If any imperfections are noticed, you carefully smooth them out, making sure the stone is flawless. This step requires patience and a keen eye for detail. Every angle, every facet must be perfect. It's the small details that make a big difference. Every facet must be flawless, every angle must catch the light just right. This is where the true artistry of gemstone cutting shines through. Step 7, stone ready to fix in jewelry. And finally, once the stone is complete, it's ready to be set into jewelry. The facets gleam, the polish is perfect, and the stone has transformed into a beautiful, sparkling gem. It's no longer just a piece of raw material, it's a stunning gemstone, ready to become part of a stunning piece of jewelry. And there it is, a masterpiece, born from raw stone. What was once rough and uncut is now a gemstone sparkling with beauty. The transformation is complete and the sense of accomplishment is unmatched. But this process isn't just about the final product. It's about the journey. It's about the sense of accomplishment you feel as you take a raw, untouched stone and shape it with your own hands. It's about the moments of challenge, when you push yourself to perfect your technique, and the triumph when everything clicks. From raw to radiant, this is the magic of gemstone cutting. And the best part, it's just the beginning. Visit folkmarketgems.com for more tips and learning about faceting and lapidary art. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.